Rika, you know, so I find a new man though, and him better than the old dirty drunker we did have before.
What you have said to me? So you sure about this one, yeah?
Girl, he treat me good at the best thing ever.
Careful.
And him buy me them when me have on, you know.
So?
And him do me here.
Them a dirty dog will buy you anything.
Girl, you see me here look nice and pretty all the while. And him give me money all the time to do me here.
He soon stop.
No woman not run from good. Me like him.
Oh, you're so sure about this one, you know. You ever catfish him yet or try? Play any little game for make him improve in loyalty.
Girl, me play tricks on him enough time. Me prank him enough time.
Hey.
And me find out say yes, that one is real. He loyal, man.
You know, some don't believe that. I have to go prove it. But we catfish him. I will play a game and make me prove you wrong, so him is not the right one for you.
Girl, no bother with that.
Shut up, my mouth.
No man, me a friend, but me not give no woman my man
give
number.
Me number.
No girl, that one is better. Me tell you say that one is better than the dirty dog them.
Come on, give me a number. Me want to prove it tonight. Me want to see tonight. What you see?
Rika, you don't believe me.
Come no man. Because you don't put no trust in a man too much, you know.
No, listen. That one is better than the dirty drunk and
put in
dirty
the number
dog them we used to do it before.
Put in the number.
See there? You satisfied now?
Yes.
Actually, I am from me give me my number enough. I'm not play with mine.
Shut up, What's your name again?
Rufus.
Alright.
Hello.
Hi, good night. How are you?
I'm alright. Who is this?
This is Kay. Well, I'm your secret admirer. I got your number from one of my friends. I was telling her how much I liked you and she gave me her number. So, you have a girlfriend?
Oh, you mean, man? I have my woman. I don't want nobody to call my phone and acting like said they want to come look me and all these things. Let me tell you something. I'm happy with my woman, you know. I'm happy with my brown skin woman. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm going to understand why you're calling my phone.
Seriously, babe, I can't believe you say you break my heart. You don't even see yourself your skin brown, but you need to see how me chroma. What do you? Your voice so sexy. Oh God.
Oh, sexy.
Very sexy, like underwear on my oven.
Yeah, I feel like we're really good. Tight bunch them.
Yes. Oh, you're not so tight. But you can't, when we have to work, you have to take it off. You know that one day?
Why are you trying to tempt me tonight?
I'm not trying. I'm not trying. I got this. When we can meet.
Last week when we don't have no relationship, why you have to call me now? But tell me more about the panty.
Well, we can link up. But you have to tell about the panty. You can't see it.
Which panty?
Not Lane.
Not Lane?
Yeah.
You know somebody was told me, alright, you are born.
Go close that.
Alright, send me your location. See? Send me your location for WhatsApp. When we can come now?
I'm going to just hold on. I'm going to do just that and call you back. Hold on there. See your Rufus there. Rufus this. Rufus that. See your Rufus there. Ready for come take off my underwear. What me tell her say?
Send it, man, send it.
How I'm to you? Yeah, send me and send it.
He not come now way. Don't have me and me a come go now.
Oh yeah, go down.
Because he soon come, he might come home to me.
Ah, that mercy for your soul. You know, say come like you turn one real dash in the door. Not even yam head. Dashing. Just come down and watch me work, no man. Boy, you come good on your yard now. You think me want to you? I when me still approve it, you still stick up.
I mean love, you know, go there with no other woman.
Love. Alright, Miss Love.
Okay. Alright. See me and call me now. You see it? I'm a baby. Hey, babe.
Hey, baby.
You not come home?
It's so good. It sounds so good to hear your voice, baby.
You're not coming home?
Alright, you are going on. Me have one little situation. But just come up and so me I call you. You know, but me gonna buy you some chocolate and ice cream and all the nice things. You want anything? You want strawberries?
What is it? What kind of situation you are about?
The situation is that me have to go back to work and go drop off one file. When the file there try to download, you know, it can't get downloaded right away. It will take a little time. It might take an hour or two. So I go back at the office and just download some stuff and then I'll come right back home, alright? But like me I tell you before, if you want the chocolate, the ice cream and strawberries, hope you know when I'm coming back home.
Yeah, carry them for me.
Alright, anything else, babe?
Love you. Bye.
Alright.
Ice cream, chocolate, you done picnic on Sunday now. Alright, easy. So you really I talk about you still trust the youth of you see this and you hear everything what go on. You really my Bella.
I better say not come here.
You really my Bella.
He not go come up here. I don't have me and him come. He said me fi give him 2 hours time. He might look about business. After me and him come.
Something wrong. Alright.
I mean love. He love me for true.
Alright.
Tricky my chicken and come no way.
Let's do you go get tricked tonight.
Hello?
Hey, where are you?
I'm away, man. I almost reached here. I almost reached here right now.
Alright.
You know what I mean? Can't be this fast, man.
I love how you talk. I love how you talk. You say you're reaching alien. You're reaching alien already? You're reaching alien already?
Almost.
Alright, now come out. Alright, here what? When I reach at the second to fourth, something I want goal gate, just me come out. Alright. Hey, ma come.
I mean love.
Yes. Yeah, we have me a laugh after your whole night. You don't notice?
But I mean love.
You just step on a me love. You see who in love tonight and who did not forget style.
Nah, come no way, I must see that.
I'm the funny way. I mean, I'm not far from here, so I'm there. So the truth not far.
You know the funny way they come here, so.
I hold on, see they come here now. Yeah, you reach out there, so. Alright, may I come out now. Now come out, just stay right there, so. Don't make him come here, so come see you.
Hey, it was a long time I want to check you. I see you already, you know.
Come in, man, come in.
I see your place nice.
You afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Come on in.
Alright.
You can sit down.
Oh, the door can't lock.
No, man, it's okay. Just have a seat.
Alright, so.
You can sit down.
God. So you say I want a nice little...
That's how me love dress.
I mean, Mama, like you think
You see, I like my room.
Yeah, man, the room like the colors. The colors nice and then too bright. Yeah, man, I tell you, say, yo, you look just like when you saw it on the phone.
Yeah, so man, be careful yourself and I like what you see.
Look, Mama, see, like, I'm going to get busy, guys, man.
So when you talk to me, I'm going to look for me, so looking at my face.
Really?
What you doing now, so?
Wait. Wait.
So you want my friend?
No, not like that.
What you mean I don't like that? What you doing at my friend house?
Our
Which is
business
right.
deal, we are trying to...
So this you do me all the time.
Here I go. Let's answer. Let's listen.
Like seriously?
No, listen me.
I this you go on with all the while?
No. Listen. I know what you think.
After me put me trust in you.
But me trust you too.
Wicked. Sit down.
No, me trust you.
Wicked.
This you really make your
Me
friend
put,
sit.
me put me trust in you. Me put me
You
trust.
hear the conversation then? Hear the conversation first? You hear how she talk to me and call me?
Hey,
You
shut
what
up.
she say?
You are
You're
busted.
into it.
Me not
You're into it.
into me.
I this you do me.
You're busted.
No, easy.
You do me.
Easy.
Not easy. What kind of easy? But do not bother
Jesus
wicked.
Christ, what is the problem? No. Listen. Calm. You understand? You're frustrated. Don't. That's just so let's go listen.
Already, action.
Hey babe. I'm blood. I'm going to get it and feed it and then you come in.
Afraid.
You say.
Very afraid. You're going to kill me. No. I go run. My blood clot.
Brownie.
Just run.
Look how you make
Tell
me.
them boy I made.
Then you really eat.
Oh, it was at the same time. You know. I start over. I mean love.
Hey, ma come. You know, say nah prank me.
No, this is where I want to say I mean love.
I mean love. You look at me, so I love your face. I just
I'm going to like your pretty face.
Where are they? Where are they?
Ready, can you walk now?
No.
What are you doing now, so? Seriously?
No, listen me. No.
Eh? Me not take.
Well, I mean. Did you say that?
Hey, when you're right, you're right.
I was supposed to laugh.
Again.
You.
So we go back him up. We'll back him up.
Ready?
No, make Kira say ready, not you.
Let me ask you, man.
Alright, action.